Hopefully in a few months when I'm in good shape, then I'll wear shorts. Then nobody will tell me anything. Then I'll wear shorts. Then nobody will tell me anything.
परिणीति को अपने वेट पर कमेंट किए जाने पर आया गुस्सा।
Nonsense. I'll be in shorts in next week. Nonsense. I'll be in shorts in next week. I think now I think people should not have that complaint because I'm getting better.
परिणीति के रडार में आई बॉलीवुड की हीरोइंस जिन्होंने किया था परिणीति के वेट पर कमेंट। जी हाँ, यही है बी टुनाइट पर आज की सबसे बड़ी और एक्सक्लूसिव खबर। अपने वेट और ड्रेसिंग सेंस पर कमेंट किए जाने पर खुल के बात की परिणीति ने ज़ूम से एक्सक्लूसिवली।
मैं क्या करूँ? I've always been, I was an obese person during university, and I've always been an overweight person. I'm still an overweight person. Yeah, see, that's the thing now. Yeah, see, from where I've come from, yes. But even when in my first year and my second year, I was still very big. So I couldn't choose the best clothes for myself. So I always was dressed badly, and it was really, of course, it was my fault that I was fat, but it wasn't my fault for choosing the clothes that I did.
और बातों ही बातों में उन्होंने आलिया भट्ट के किए हुए कमेंट का जवाब तो दिया ही, लेकिन साथ ही विद्या बालन के वेट और उनके ड्रेसिंग पर भी कुछ ऐसा बोली।
I think there is. If you call, I don't know, if you tell Sid, oh Sid, you're very hot, it's because he has a fit body. So I think you need to have a fit body for you. Yeah, you need to have a fit body. I think Vidya Balan is gorgeous. Yeah. But if I want to wear the clothes that I really in my head want to wear, for that I have to have a certain body.
दरअसल परिणीति से हमने पूछा सवाल कि उनकी एक्टिंग और उनके टैलेंट को 100 आउट ऑफ 100 देने वाले लोगों का मानना है कि परिणीति ड्रेसिंग और फिटनेस के मामले में रह जाती हैं पीछे। तो हमारे इसी सवाल पर परिणीति ने दे दिया एक लंबा लॉजिक और एक्सप्लेनेशन।
I think now people should not have that complaint because I'm getting better. I'm still not there. I'm not even 40% there. But I'm getting better because when you lose weight, you can choose different clothes. You can wear a sleeveless top if you want. Maybe 6 months ago I wouldn't wear this skirt, but if I want to wear cooler and hotter clothes, I have to be hotter. It's a simple thing. They won't make my size, so I have to be a smaller size to fit into those clothes. For that, I have to lose weight. It's not that it's not a pressure thing. It's not that, oh my God, that girl is thin, so I have to be thin like her. No. I want to look better. I know I will look better when I'm thinner and fitter. So I'm working towards it. Simple.
बट उनके बगल में बैठे सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा ने यहाँ खोल दी परिणीति के स्लिम डाउन होने की पोल भी।
ककड़ी and टमाटर।
I used to like
I can vouch for that.
So exactly.
I can vouch for that.
So that ये इनके कपड़ों का राज है।
यानी परिणीति is really trying hard to get into shape ताकि वो वैसे कपड़े पहन सकें जो वो पहनना चाहती हैं। और शायद अपने इसी फिटनेस स्केड्यूल की वजह से she is so confident that in her next interview to Zoom she will be seen in shorts.
Hopefully in a few months when I'm in good shape, then I'll wear shorts. Then nobody will tell me anything.
Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.